Hey everybody, Wes from Toolbox Buzz here at World of Concrete 2025 in Las Vegas, and I'm here with Katie at the Milwaukee booth, and we're really excited to kind of talk to you a little bit more about the MX Fuel backpack blower system. So, Katie, I know you guys have the M18 version on the market already, and this is new for this year. So can you give us a little rundown exactly what kind of increase in performance do you get going to the MX system?
Yeah, so we're really excited to add another blower to our lineup, and this is going to provide about 50% higher blowing force than our M18 solution, and it has the benefit of having full system compatibility with over 25 of our MX solutions, really geared for that GC and concrete user. This blower is also going to deliver 800 CFM, 190 miles an hour, and over 30 newtons of blowing force, providing higher blowing force and up to 63 cc gas. So being able to take on those more demanding applications without those gas headaches like pool starts, fumes, noise, or emissions. In addition to having that high level of power, we also have our mode select here, where you can select from 3 different mode settings and really optimize your performance and runtime for your unique application needs. And by managing this mode select, you're able to get either 20, 30, or 45 minutes of constant power per charge, which really increases your work done by being able to have that performance optimization.
So that's 45 minutes constant runtime on the highest power setting there with this system, right?
So it'll be 20 minutes in the high.
Oh, excuse me, 20 minutes, yeah, 20 minutes on the high.
45 minutes in low, 30 minutes in medium.
Awesome. Now, we have some experience. We recently published a head-to-head where we compared battery backpack blowers, where we were able to highlight the M18 version, and I think it's a great option for people that, especially in the landscaping trades, the climate's changing where people now need to have these. So now this version, the MX, is really going to bring that extra power for the demanding users and demanding tasks, right?
Exactly.
All right.
Yeah.
So
and it's also very low noise. So there's also a lot of noise regulations around blowers.
Yeah.
This is just 64 decibels per 50-foot bystander test. So getting all that power in a low noise solution as well.
Wonderful. All right. So if it's all right with you, we'd love to fire this thing up and give it a try, right?
Go for it.
All right. Cool. So one thing I really like about Milwaukee's harness system is I have really comfortable padded shoulder straps as well as a nice padded waist belt. So if I'm going to have this on and using it constantly for that long period of time, it's going to make my job a lot easier and less wear and tear on me. So here for our demo portion, we're going to be blowing some gravel here. And yes, it's not foam. We got real stone here that we're blowing around, okay? That's impressive. Having used the M18 version, this is a really nice upgrade here, and that's some pretty impressive power. So the MX Fuel backpack blower is a really, really awesome option out from Milwaukee this year.